Hello future makers, welcome to Teacherpreneur. It's December and it's Christmas time. So for the holiday season, we need to come up with some activities that will generate curiosity and develop interest in the students. So Teacherpreneur is here with some DIY Christmas activities in collab with Sarika ma'am from Craft Area. She is very good with DIY activities and craft stuff. Specifically, you should watch her dot painting videos. They are really awesome. So this video is in collaboration with Sarika Saxena ma'am from Craft Area. So this video is actually shot in two parts. The first part is on the channel Teacherpreneur, in which you will watch 4 Christmas DIY activities, that is a Christmas wreath, a glass jar dot painting, quilt tea light CD holder and an origami Christmas tree. All the activities are super fun. The second part of the video is on the Craft Area channel. The link will be in the I button and in the description box below. Make sure you watch both the videos and show some love to both our channels. So without wasting time, just let's get started.
Hello everyone. Welcome to this collaboration episode of Craft Area and Teacherpreneur. My name is Sarika and you know by now that my channel is Craft Area. I am a self-taught artist and I make art and craft videos on my channel. You can check it out after watching this video. Christmas is around the corner and in today's video I will show you 4 Christmas crafts that you can make with your children. So let's start. So this first craft is very easy to make, origami Christmas tree. You need a square piece of paper, fold it diagonally, open it and fold the other side too. Now turn the paper over and make it in half. Open it and fold it one more time in half. Now fold it like this to make a mountain fold. Fold it in half till the middle line. Repeat the process from all 4 sides. Now open this triangle pocket like this and fold it to make it flat. Repeat the process with all the pockets. Cut the bottom side and you will have a folded triangle with 8 sides. Cut the slits on the side like shown here. Now fold the corners of these slits one by one in all 8 sides. And now this paper Christmas tree will be ready for the decoration. Next craft is recycling an old glass jar into a beautiful candle holder. For making this craft, you need an old glass jar and acrylic paints. First, paint the base of the glass jar with the help of a sponge. I am using white color here to give it this effect of snow. After the jar dries completely, we will decorate it with red, green and gold colors. I am using a pen to make the dot here. Dip the pen in paint and touch the jar slowly to make a dot. Now I am using a toothpick to make small dots. I am putting the smaller dots around the big dot to make it like a flower. You can make different designs using dots. Adding some gold dots also here and there, and this old glass jar is turned into a beautiful candle holder. Next craft is this quilt tea light holder. We all have old CDs at home and we can use it in this DIY. We need these quilling strips and quilling pen. If you don't have ready-made strips, we can cut that at home too. And instead of quilling pen, we can use a toothpick. If you are using quilling pen, put the strips in the slot and of the pen and roll the paper. Make a loose coil and glue it. Pinch it from the both sides and your quilled petal is ready. If you don't have a quilling pen, then roll the strips around a toothpick and you can easily make the coil this way. Glue it and pinch it from both sides and your petal is ready. I made 10 red and 10 green petals. Now arrange it in a circle on the CD and stick it one by one. I am using these golden pearls to embellish it more. And then going to put some acrylic paint dots too. And today's last craft is Christmas wreath. You need a circle cardboard. I am marking one more circle and cutting it from the middle. Now I am crumbling some old paper and taping it on the cardboard to make it more thick. I am taking green and red A4 sheet and cutting around 1 inch thick strips. Stick these papered strips all over the wreath like this. Now cut the end of the paper into thin strips like I am showing here. Now take a thin bamboo stick and curl the paper inward. Do this with the whole wreath. I am using a red satin ribbon to hang the wreath. You can embellish it some more with acrylic paints and pearl stickers. I hope you liked this video and you will try these craft ideas. What do you think of this collaboration video? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to hop to my channel Craft Area. Link will be there in the description.
Hey, the video doesn't end here. Don't forget to watch the part 2 of this video on the channel Craft Area. Link is in the I button and the description box below. Also, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Teacherpreneur as well as Craft Area. See you soon.